Welcome to our channel Quaint. Today we are going to discuss a very special topic. The topic is in vitro fertilization, a solution for blocked fallopian tubes. Yes, the couples, or better to say women, suffering from this problem, means I am talking about the problem of blocked fallopian tubes. They usually face problems in achieving pregnancy, or if they want to conceive a child, in that case they usually face problems in case of blocked fallopian tubes. There may be different problems such as scarring, endometriosis, infection, or any other problem for which I am talking about women, your fallopian tubes may be blocked, and in that case you cannot achieve pregnancy because the fallopian tubes act as the meeting place of eggs which are released from your ovaries and the sperm. So this is the meeting place of eggs and sperm. That means the process of fertilization occurs inside the fallopian tubes, and therefore thereafter that fertilized egg is carried to the uterus where it is implanted, and in that place, I am talking about the uterus, where the embryos develop and growth of the embryo takes place, and at last the child formation, the whole body formation takes place there, in the uterus. But there is a role played by the fallopian tubes because fertilization, that process occurs inside the fallopian tubes. And this is also acts as the passageway because the fertilized egg is carried through the fallopian tubes and it ultimately reaches to the uterus. So if fallopian tubes are not in working condition, then in that case fertilization is not possible. But there is a hope for couples trying to conceive a child. Scientists have discovered this method. In that case, actually fallopian tubes are not necessary. Whether it is blocked or it is absent in your body, there is no problem at all. What is done actually? Medications are used to stimulate your ovaries. Whenever I am saying here, your means I am talking about the women. Okay? So your ovaries are stimulated by the help of medications, and when eggs are released, multiple eggs are collected or retrieved from your ovaries by undergoing through a minor surgical operation. Minor surgery is required to collect the eggs from your ovaries. Then what is done, and also the sperm is collected from your partner. Okay. Then what is done? The fertilization occurs outside the human body, in vitro, that means in glass. The meaning of in vitro is in glass, means in the laboratory fertilization occurs. And for several days that fertilized egg remains in the laboratory, say at least for 5 to 6 days. And after the formation of the embryo, that embryo is placed in the uterus of the women. And thereafter what happens, that is known to you. Thereafter it can be taken as the normal pregnancy. So embryo is implanted in the uterus lining, means uterine lining. And therefore you need not to do anything. If medications are prescribed, then you have to take those medications by the doctors anyway. So the problem was what? Problem was in case of blocked fallopian tubes. If you are facing problems, if you are facing obstacle in conceiving a child, then you don't lose hope. Okay. You should thank to the scientists inventing this method, Reproductive medicine. This is a special case, no doubt this is a special case, but anyway, this is available nowadays. But before that, you should consult with the doctors. You are suffering from that problem, whether your body is still capable of conceiving a child or not. It depends upon your partner's sperm, it depends upon your egg, it depends upon your entire reproductive system, whether it is still healthy or not, in spite of having a problem in your fallopian tubes. If everything is okay, just your fallopian tubes are blocked, then there is a hope of conceiving a child. You can easily become pregnant, you can easily become mother. Okay, so this was all about the topic in vitro fertilization, a solution for blocked fallopian tubes. One more thing I need to say here, I need to mention here that in vitro fertilization, this procedure is followed not only for this problem, blocked fallopian tubes. For any other problem also, doctors may prescribe you to undergo such procedure. So whatever be your problem, doctors are there. You should consult with the doctors, okay, to get an appropriate solution for you. But if you have the idea that fertilization can be achieved in another way, not only natural processes are required in all the cases. Natural processes are required in all the cases. You should not think like that. If natural processes are not available, if natural processes are causing problem, then other methods or solution procedures are available. So in all the cases, whatever be the case, you should always consult with a doctor. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, in vitro fertilization. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.